Welcome, my friends. It's Double back with you. Hope everybody's having a good start to their week. Today we're going to do a subscription box. It's a Ricky Card Explosion box by Fellington. Their high-end box. See what we can pull from here. If you hear me cough a little, I just got a little cold or something. Weather changing here, and I always get it about this time of the year. Went from hot. We had a couple days of really nice 50s and 60s, and now we had some lows into the 30s already. I know to a lot of part of the country that ain't very much, but from 100 to 30 in 3 weeks. Okay, here's what we're going to be looking for. The 2000. Let's look at the packs first. Got a big pack of 2020 Chrome. 2022 Topps Finest. This is what year is this? Topps Heritage. It's 2013. 2017 Update. And Bowman Draft. Okay, let's take a look and see here. The Heritage, Nolan Arenado, Machado, Trout, and Harper. 27 Update with Judge and Bellinger. Well, Bellinger's, I think, career is about over unless he can really get it turned around. 21 Bowman Draft, Lawler, Mayer, Allen, House, Manzado, Arizona, and Montgomery, Cowser, Ford, Davis, and Frederick. 2022 Chrome, we're going to be looking for the Franco, Wander Franco, Cruz, Rodriguez, Bobby Witt Jr., Spencer Strider auto. I'd love to have that. Torkelson, Abrams, and Green. And Topps Finest Flashback, Rodriguez, Franco, Cruz, Witt, Torkelson. We'll just start with the new stuff and work our way back. Nice to pull that Spencer Strider out of the Braves. Hoya Park. Ryan McMahon, Trent Grisham, Casey Myers, Jared Klingent, Nolan Arenado, Stuart Fairchild, Brian Anderson, George Springer, Ryan Metcastle, Brandon Belt, getting purple. It's numbered 193 out of 250. Got some color out of it anyway. Joey Votto and Bo Bichette. Well, nothing really good in that one. Brandon Belt, purple. So let's go with 2022 flashbacks. Just the big rookies in there you're looking for. Sorry about that. Hunter Green. He's not one of them, but he's a rookie. We can't hardly see his cards. Jack Flattery. Adam Duvall. Don't even know. Look at that name. Keyshawn Hayes. And Daryl Carlson. Some pretty cards. There's the back of these. Not seen these yet, and I've not opened those. Let's open this Bowman Draft. Anybody ain't good in here. Like I said, I wouldn't know most of these. I'll have to go back and do a closer search of them. because I know I overlooked some of these names. Quite a few names. There's one of them. Henry Davis, Pittsburgh. That's his Bowman first. No, that's the wrong Allen. It's supposed to be J. Allen. This is Bowman first. Set all the Bowman first out anyway. Put him in a different box. Maybe one day they make it big. I go back and pull them out. Michael Harris. There we go. There's my boy. Him or Spencer Howard is going to be Rookie of the Year. Nice. Needed one of his cards. Brady House, Dallin Lynch. See, yep, that's one of his right there. Lynch is not on there. Okay. Michael Morales. No. Brian Spikes. Jackson Jobe first. Ian Mulder. Henry Ford. Pretty good name. Harry Ford. I don't know. Harry Ford. Yep, he's on there. Cade Pokovich first. Another Michael Harris. See here, this is the Chrome version. That's the plain. Sweet. That'll go on my PC for him. Oh, and Kellington first. And Frank Monazatoco Kato first. Okay. Put all these over to the side. We'll just look for here. This is the 2013. Let's see what we can come up with here. The Heritage here. I like this design. It's clean and just basic and looks old style. It don't look like we're going to pull none of the good cards out of that one. Well, see if we can pull an Aaron Judge rookie card. Right before I started collecting, I do have a Don Russ graded by Beckett in 9. I forgot where I got it from. Got it in a mystery box or something. Okay. Dwight Smith rookie card. Barrett Austin rookie card. Brock Status rookie card. Nolan Fontana rookie card. Ian Harp rookie card. Johan McCadic with Boston rookie card. Oh, come on. Give us something out of this pack. At least it got Michael Harris so far. Aaron Judge, New York Yankees rookie card. There's one of them. All-Star Game. Nice. Max Scherzer. He is will be a Hall of Famer. Still got some to go. Maybe we get lucky. Anthony Alford rookie card with the Blue Jays. Yorn Darvish. Buster Posby. Masula Ozoma, Hunter Renfrow rookie card, Cal Freeland rookie card. Come on now. Josh Hader rookie card, Alex Reeves rookie card, JT Riddle rookie card, and Cal. Just let y'all figure that out with New York Yankees rookie card. No really big cards. We did get to judge All-Star Game rookie card, which is nice. And then we got the purple Belton Belts Topps Chrome, 193 out of 250. And 2 from my collection. Michael Harris, the paper and the chrome. Sweet. This is not his official rookie card yet. I think that probably going to be an update. Well, there we go. That was the... What do they do with a box now? Rookie card explosion box by Fillington. High end. Pretty good box. Just let me know what you think in the comments below. I always read them. I just ain't had time to respond to a lot of them with everything going on. Probably about like everybody else. But I do appreciate you watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much. So, my friends, until we meet again, be safe and God be with you and your family. This is Double. I'm out.